In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Tonies discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Tonies discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Hot UK Deals, and here we have a list with some promo codes and some deals that you can use to get some discounts. So if you want to get, let's say, this one right here with a 10% discount, tap where it says see deal. And for this one, there is no code required. So you can just select the button where it says go to shop and you will be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Retail Me Not. And here we have a list with other promo codes and deals that you can use for some discounts. So if you want to get this one with a 10% discount of your order, you can simply tap right here where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.